Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the AC clutch relay and AC fuse are on this 2006 Ford Focus, as well as how to test the AC clutch. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So go in there, pop your hood, and then put your hood up. We're going to come right here to the under the hood fuse box, lift this tab, you can lift the lid. So the AC fuse is this 10 amp fuse right here, and the AC clutch relay is this relay right here. I've already pulled this out. They can be a little bit of a bugger to pull out. You might need to use pliers. But what you're going to do is jump these two pins right here, and you'll hear the clutch click. So that's how you know it's working properly. So if this video is helpful to you, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.